Vidura College, Environmental Studies, Grade 1. People who need our help, Part 2. In the previous video, we learned about people who need our help at home and people who need our help at school. Under the topic people who need our help at home, you learned grandparents, parents, and siblings. Then you learn people who need our help at school. Under that topic, you learn about principal, headmistress, teachers, friends, and maids. Okay, children, today you are going to learn about polite words. Do you know what are the polite words? I think all of you remember the story Nandi Visala Jatakaya. In Nandi Visala Jatakaya, that bull pulled the carts because of the good words. When the owner of that bull called him in bad words, that bull hurts. So he didn't pull the cart. Like that Putte, no one liked the bad words. Everyone liked polite words. As kids, you all have to use polite words, good words, and be kind to everyone. Then everyone loves a polite kid. So today's lesson, we are going to learn about polite words. Let's see what are the polite words. The first one is please. When you talk with your friends, parents, teachers, you can use the word please. Then it can show you as a polite kid. For example, in the classroom, if you don't have an eraser, you can ask it from your friend. How you are going to ask it? Can I have your eraser, please? Putte, when you are in the classroom, if you finish your studies, if you finish writing the note in your book, then you can say your teacher, teacher, please mark my book. Then teacher will definitely mark your book. Like that, you can use the word please with your teacher, with your parents, and with your friends. If you use this word please, you can be a polite kid. Next polite word is thank you. If someone gives you something, if someone helps you, or if someone asks something from you, always you can say thank you. Even for your parents, you can say thank you. If they give some toys to you, if they give some food to you, you can say thank you. Not only your parents, but you can say thank you to your friends, your teachers, principal, maid aunties, and everyone. In the school, maid aunties do lot of helps to you. When they give help to you, you can say thank you auntie and come back to the class. Like that, you can use the polite word thank you to anyone. Next polite word is excuse me. You have to use the word excuse me to whenever you want to talk. When teacher is teaching in the classroom, if you have any question, you can say, excuse me teacher, I have a question. Not only that, if you want to go out in the classroom, you can say, excuse me teacher, may I go to the washroom? And think when two teachers are talking. and you want to say something to one teacher. Then you go there and say, "Teacher, teacher, I have something to say." It's not polite. If you want to be a polite kid, you have to say, "Excuse me, teacher, I have something to say you." Then the teacher gives you permission to talk. Next polite word is sorry. Here, Putte, when you feel sad about what did you do to someone, or you want to express your sadness to someone, you can use the word sorry. So, children, those are the polite words you learn. Now we are going to learn about people who specially need our help. The first one is blind people. Those who can't see anything, they are the blind people. They specially need our help. When they walk in the public places or when they're crossing the roads, then you can help them. They especially need our help because they can't see anything. The next one is disabled people. If you see a disabled people in the public places, you can help them. You can help them to stand, you can help them to walk, you can help them in many ways. Next one is deaf people. They can't hear anything. Here, Putte, you can help them also in different ways. Especially Putte, if you see a deaf people, don't treat them differently. They are also same as us. So treat them as normal people. Treat them as how you treat your friends. Next, dumb people. They also need our special help. Both dumb people and deaf people use their own sign language to talk with each other. So if you see someone using the sign language, don't treat them differently. It's their language, how they talk with each other, just like you and me. Now children, we are going to learn about equipment used by special needs people. First, wheelchair. Wheelchair used by people who can't walk properly. Elders, disabled people use wheelchair. This equipment is white cane. The white cane used by people who can't see anything. It means blind people. They try to touch everything using the white cane. Then they know what is in front of them. So it really helps them to walk. This one is hearing aid. People those can't hear anything. It means deaf people use hearing aids. They wear this hearing aid in their ear. Then they can hear anything like us. This equipment is crutches. Crutches used by people who can't walk properly. People who injured their legs and disabled people, elders, they use crutches. Crutches help people to walk. People who can't walk, they use crutches and walk nicely. So children, today you learn about polite words and then you learn about people who specially need our help. At last you learn about equipment used by special needs people. Now you know how to be a polite kid and also how help people who need special help. So, my dear children, hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Have a good day.